Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, chrome mirror caps, steering wheel audio controls, power door locks, tachometer, cloth seat trim. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.